Do you know that using the wrong project management methodology could be a key contributor to project failures? Knowing the right methodology to suit the different peculiarities of different projects is key to successful project delivery. Hi there, this is project management enthusiast, and I am excited to have us here again to talk about project management. So in this video, we are going to be talking about project management methodology and the right project management methodology to employ for different projects. If you're new here, welcome to this channel. Here we talk about everything project management. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you very much, and I sincerely appreciate your love. Without further ado, let's jump right into the topic. What is project management methodology? Project management methodology is a structured approach to planning, execution, and completion of projects. It provides us with set of principles, tools, and techniques to guide the management of the project, ensuring that the project meets its project objective, stays within scope, is delivered on time, and is within budget. There are quite a number of them out there. We're going to be looking at a few of them. Looking at waterfall, agile, scrum, lean, kanban, and critical path. Waterfall methodology is a linear sequential approach to project management where each phase of the project has to be completed before the next phase begins. It is used for projects that has clear requirements and changes are not really expected. It is best for projects that have clear requirements, such as construction projects and manufacturing projects. Agile project management methodology is an iterative, incremental approach to project management that allows for flexibility and continuous feedback. So it emphasizes customer feedback, collaboration between teams, and small and frequent releases. It is best for projects whose requirements are expected to evolve with time, such as software development. Scrum methodology is a subset of Agile, and by that I mean that it's also an iterative and incremental approach. It breaks the project into sprints, and each sprint will last, it typically lasts for 2 to 4 weeks, and each sprint delivers an MVP. MVP means minimum viable product. It is the simplest version of a product that you can build and can ship to the market. And so you that minimum viable product could be used to learn about the market, about customers' opinion of the product, how well the product will do. And Scrum also emphasizes daily stand-up meetings, sprint planning, and sprint retrospective. I think I will explain that. Now, daily stand-up meetings are daily meetings that the team of the project will usually meet, and they will take turns to talk about what they accomplished the day before, what they hope to work on that particular day, and whatever obstacle it is they might be facing. Sprint planning is an event that takes place before each sprint. The entire Scrum team will sit back to look, analyze their performance in the previous sprint, what they did well, what did not go so well, and how they could improve their performance. The Scrum team is made up of the product owner, the Scrum master, and development team. The development team will meet and have a discussion on on what they could work on in that sprint and how they will go about achieving their objective for that particular sprint. Sprint retrospective is a meeting that holds after each sprint. Scrum methodology is best for complex projects where its requirements is set to change as time goes on. For projects that need constant reassessment, Scrum is the way to go. Kanban focuses on visualizing work, limiting work in progress. You know how frustrating it can be that whenever you ask for the status of the task, it is in progress and it's in progress for quite some time. So Kanban aims to limit work in progress and improve the general overall workflow. It uses boards with columns to represent the different stage of the task, and the task moves across board as it progresses. It is best for operational tasks where the focus is on maintaining steady workflow. Lean methodology is all about maximizing value by reducing waste. So it focuses on delivering value to the customer efficiently so that it improves process, it reduces waste, and reduces unnecessary steps as well. It is best for environments where process improvement and waste reduction is the focus, such as manufacturing and service improvement project. In Lean, any activity that doesn't add value to the customer is seen as waste. So if the customer will not be willing to pay for that activity is seen as waste. So there are 7 ways that exist in Lean. These are motion, waiting, inventory, defect, overproduction, transportation, and overprocessing. Critical path. The critical path method is a technique that is used to identify the sequence of tasks that are crucial so that any delay in any of these tasks will lead to the delay in the entire project timeline. So tasks that are on the critical path have zero float. Float represents the amount of time that a task can be delayed and it will not affect the overall outcome of the project. It will not affect the timeline of the project. Task that has zero float or zero slack means that that task is on the critical path. Some of the tools that are used in the critical path methodology are the Gantt chart and the network diagram, which is also known as the PERT chart. PERT, that's Program Evaluation Review Technique. So these tools are useful in monitoring the project schedule and visualizing the project schedule and their dependencies as well. And they're particularly useful in monitoring the projects the tasks rather, that are on the critical path. So if you are handling a project where keeping to its timeline is crucial, then critical path is the right methodology to use. Generally, the choice of a project management methodology depends on certain factors like the project complexity, the team size, the industry, and how much flexibility is needed. Selecting the appropriate methodology is crucial to the successful delivery of the project. With this, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you very much for sticking with me up till now. If you have seen this video to this point, do not forget to subscribe, to learn today is hit on the notification bell so as to get notified when I post content like this. Thank you very much for staying. I am grateful. Do take care of your lovely self and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.